Hello, good day and welcome to my channel. Today I have a problem on this diagram here. It says find angle y below. Now, for us to solve that, we should look at the parallel lines given to us. This arrow here means that this line is parallel to this. These two lines are parallel. So when we have parallel lines, we should start thinking of angles such as alternate angles, corresponding angles, and the likes. So now, let's check how we can complete this parallel line to come to this triangle and complete it. So I can trace this line to complete the straight line like this. So this is a parallel line here, and this is another parallel line. So if this is 50 degrees on this parallel line, then this 50 degrees will be equal to the angle that will be here. And why? They are corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal. So because we have a parallel line here and we have another parallel line here, we have this 50 degrees sitting on this line. Then on this line too, we have a 50 degree that is also sitting on it. So they are corresponding angles and they are equal. So this is 50, and then we have this place as 60, this angle 60 here. Then let's take the angle in this triangle here as x, the third angle in this triangle. Let's take it as x. So you are given that sum of angles in a triangle add up to 180. So from there I can say x, which is this angle, plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180. That is sum of angle in a triangle. So these three angles here add up to 180. So x will be equal to 180 minus 50 minus 60 as well. And that will give me x is equal to 180 minus 50 is 130. 130 minus 60 will give me 70. So angle x is 70 degrees. So now, if you also look at this line here, this is a straight line. This is a straight line. And at this point on a straight line, we have three angles here. We have angle x, we have angle y, and we have 30 degrees. So the sum of angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So once you have a straight line, and at a particular point on that straight line, you have lines forming angle at that point. So all the sum of angles at that point on the straight line will give you 180 degrees. So that gives us x plus y plus 1 plus 30 degrees will be equal to 180, because sum of angle on the straight line is 180 degrees. So I have x, so I can say therefore x plus y plus 30 is equal to 180, because sum of angle on the straight line add up to 180. But the value of x, we already know it as 70. So I'm going to say 70 plus y plus 30 is equal to 180. From there, if I make y the substitute formula, it will give me y is equal to 180 minus 70 minus 30. And that will give us y is equal to 180 minus 70 is 110. And 110 minus 30 is 80 degrees. So that gives us the value 80 for the angle y. So that's the final answer. So please subscribe to this channel so that I can get more detailed videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.